Well, if you have questions about COVID-19, today's the day to get them answered straight from the leaders at Lee Health. It's the latest virtual town hall. It's set for this afternoon. Our Jessica Alpern had a one-on-one interview with the president and CEO of Lee Health, Dr. Larry Antonucci, ahead of all of this. Jessica?
Dr. Antonucci is one of two panelists for today's town hall, which will be an opportunity to talk about the status of COVID-19 in our community and what we're likely to see in the future. Lee Health says the interactive experience is focused on bringing the Southwest Florida community facts, not fear. These virtual forums are something it's done throughout the pandemic. This afternoon, you'll be able to ask any questions that are on your mind when it comes to COVID-19. So I sat down virtually with Dr. Antonucci to give you an idea of how it'll all work. We talked about things like where we are as a community when it comes to the virus.
Back in March and April, we had a wave of cases, and that wave was by current standards relatively small. And then we went a period of time, a month or two, where we were relatively stable. And then suddenly, about a month ago, we had a rapid increase. We went from having 100 patients in the hospital on a given day to 300 patients over a week's time. Now that seems to have quieted down. We're on the other side of that curve, and we're down below 200 cases in the hospital per day for the last few days. I think we know that we had a significant surge in the last month. Whether we will get another one is going to depend on our behaviors.
He adds that with a vaccine being a minimum of 6 months away, social distancing, mask wearing, and hand hygiene is how we're going to be able to keep those levels down. Dr. Antonucci also answered my questions when it comes to what we know about the potential long-term side effects of COVID-19 and traveling during the pandemic. I'll let you hear more from that interview in our next half hour. But today is the day you'll be able to ask your questions when it comes to the virus. That town hall is set for 12:30, and details on how to join are at fox4now.com. Jessica Alpern, Fox 4 in your corner.
All right. Thank you, Jessica.